Welcome, my name is Stefano Di Cairano, and I'm a distinguished research scientist with Mitsubishi Electric Research Laboratories, or MER, and I want to welcome all the participants to the 2021 American Control Conference on behalf of MER, that is one of the sponsors of the conference. In the next few minutes, I just want to give you a brief overview of what MER is and what it does. And hopefully there will be a chance to discuss more about our work through this conference, either through our virtual booth or in our special session. Mitsubishi Electric Research Laboratories is part of the Mitsubishi Electric Corporation. Now, Mitsubishi Electric shares the name and the symbol with other Mitsubishi company, but one needs to understand that these are all separated companies. So what Mitsubishi Electric does is everything that relates to electrical, electromechanical, electronics, and mechatronics system. In particular, things that go from air conditioning to automotive equipment, building system, energy system, factory automation, home products, information communication system, public system, semiconductor devices, space system, transportation system, and visual information system. So a lot of products in different areas organized in many business units. As MER, we are part of the research and development organization of the company that consists of many labs throughout the world. There's a lot in Japan, but also China, Europe, and us in US. And in this large organization, our role is really the fundamental research that can affect multiple business units, and also very futuristic new products and new applications. In fact, MERL is organized not around business unit, but around main research areas, fundamental research areas, such as artificial intelligence, optimization, control, signal processing, and modeling and simulation. We aim to be an open industrial research lab, meaning that we plan to publish all the research we do. In fact, we publish more than 150 publications a year. That it's a fairly good number considering that we are about 50 to 60 researchers. Some of our most of our researchers are a PhD, and some are IEEE fellows or fellows of even other societies. We do collaborate a lot with academia, either with direct collaborations or through fairly strong internship programs that tend to bring every year between 80 to 100 students to work with us. And we have been doing this for a while. This is actually the 30th anniversary of MER, and we plan to be around for many years to come. These are these are the research areas where you can see that some of them are application-oriented, such as electric systems or robotics, but many are actually very fundamental research areas, such as applied physics, artificial intelligence, optimization. And among things, these are control and dynamical system, which are cornerstone of many key applications and products of Mitsubishi Electric. In particular, here there are some, not all, because they wouldn't fit in one page, but at least some that, as you can see, they span from servo systems and elevators, which are pretty common and mundane devices, to very complex machines such as spacecrafts, satellites, going through trains and cars and robots and laser machines for manufacturing, air conditioning, smart grids, zero energy building, ground control centers for satellites. So there is a lot of really cool applications of control and a lot of cool fundamental research that we do in order to change the future of these applications. In fact, these are all the MER researchers, remember we are total of 58, these are the MER researchers that have publications involving control. You can see there is more than half of the lab here. That's because control is really a key fundamental technique for making Mitsubishi Electric products. And here below, there are some of the academic partners that we have been collaborating with in the last few years, just for the area of control and dynamic systems. So as you can see, we are pretty active in collaborating with academia. And in fact, we together, either together with academia or even by yourself, we publish a lot of papers in the control conferences. These are the presentation we're giving at the 2021 American Control Conference. There are 8. And they span some more fundamental work from optimization in terms of mixed integer programming, MPC, dynamic mode decomposition and reduced order modeling, to more applied application of these new methods to cars, to spacecraft, to air conditioning. We hope to see you at some of our talks. We'll be happy to answer your question. We'll also be available at some times that will be posted on our virtual booth. We'll try to post the available times in the booth itself. And we'll be giving a special session where we describe a little bit more in detail some of our research on May 25th between 2 and 3 p.m. New Orleans time. With this, I thank you very much for listening to this brief introduction, and we really hope to have a chance to connect with you to this conference.